It's crazy how that paint cracked.
Yeah.
Almost. How many coats probably not?
Man, or it just got cold or something when you were doing it.
Just gonna grind the top off?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no problem. I think the cordless grinder's up here.
No, that don't work very well.
What?
That one don't work very well.
Yeah, you got your battery in there.
I'll just get the
real one.
Well, JT, want to run around and get the other wrenches over there?
Yeah.
This side might turn a real filter.
Yeah.
So you're saying this filter?
Not adequate for a big engine.
The old Yoda 1348 wouldn't work for you?
No. What is this, a 360 you said?
Yeah.
No, that's not adequate.
Yeah, screws on there.
That just doesn't seem right.
Oh.
I think you need to go get a Fomico from 1972 or whatever.
Motocraft?
Motocraft, yeah.
I just came up with a brilliant idea. Because, see?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, did it?
This one did.
Sweet.
Oh, okay, everything flew out but one pig.
Yeah. I wonder what mine has in it. I think it's like potatoes and stuff, I think.
Huh?
I think that's what mine is.
Can I open it?
No, I'll wait till I get down there. We'll see if we can haul more Lincoln logs and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You check your front brakes on this yet?
No.
Don't you tell me to take the whole hub off?
I don't know.
I think so.
They're split drum.
I'll go over to Chevy.
You can put some herpes on this? Come on. It ain't finished without automatic herpes.
You and your never sneeze.
These are hot. The lug nuts.
Yeah, they are, huh?
Yeah. Well, they're warm. Okay, guess what? This is the same size lug nut as this.
Yeah, cool. No, don't put that up there.
I'll go over to the Chevy.
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
You get the bottom ones off?
Yeah. Well, I gotta get